G'day. If you ever find yourself in Victoria, set aside a day, catch the train out to Belgrave. It's about an hour, and you'll end up at the Puffing Billy train station, I suppose. You can book a ride, and it's a good half-day trip. Goes up into the Dandenong Ranges through a few of the historic stations, and can't recommend it enough. Me and my wife did it a few years ago. We booked the restaurant carriage. I had a fabulous time, fabulous food, very cold drinks, whatever you fancy, and yeah, wonderful experience. So if you like trains and steam trains, this might be up your alley. Anyway, that brings me to, this is one of the models of the Puffing Billy, one of the versions that has existed through history. This is manufactured by Haskell. It's an Australian modelling company, and these aren't cheap. I'll say that. This is about, I think I paid about $450 for this. That's Australian, so I suppose what you halve that in pounds, US dollars, oh, 3/4 I suppose in US dollars, so it might be $3.75 in US. But you do get a lot for your money, I'll give you that. And that's all brass. The top of the chimney there, the whistle and valves, and the wire handrails, they're all separately fitted, as you can see there. There's a little toolbox sitting on the front. And we got the valve here, which is very well detailed. Very nice loco for a 262. This is an NA class. They don't seem to call these prairies down here. There you go, there's some detail there in the cabin there. Just trying to show you oh, there you go. Got the door of the firebox there, it's nice. Piping and the regulator and things, it's very nice, all very well detailed. I should spin this around, excuse the hand. Just to show you the detail on the other side. It's even got a Westinghouse pump, pretty handy. Now this comes with etched number plates and builder's plates and things like that you can attach, but I haven't done that yet. This has barely been out of the box, to tell you the truth. I haven't used it, I've only just got it out today to make sure it was still running. But anywho, I'll stick it on the tracker and we'll show you how it runs. Anyway, here she comes. Just put it through on slow speed to start with. She runs beautifully. I haven't been able to service that motor yet, so that whiny noise that you hear might tone down a bit once I can get some oil in there. There she goes. She's pretty slowly geared, so it's no rocket, but a really good performer. And unfortunately, I don't have any carriages for it yet. But one day, I'll get some. They're not cheap. It's difficult enough getting this into the luggage without the wife seeing it. Not that she hates trains, but I think she'd object to $500 on a train. I suppose I can't be too much of a critic. Hang on, there's a terrible camera shot there. I'll just finish it off here. Just pull her out. Just have to reach around for the controller. I'm running in reverse today. She doesn't like going the other way on the track for some reason. Trains are finicky. Anyway, do yourself a favour if you're in Australia, in Victoria, in Melbourne, catch a rattler out to Belgrave and have a nice experience. I'll catch you soon. See you later.